And some of my plants outside on deck to acclimate, and you can see my tomato growing so large and my pepper all in. But outside here you can see the one I put outside to acclimate my squash here. I think it needs some water because in the sun now. And also my pepper, the okra, the cucumber, the beans. I 3 beans. One went bye-bye. And this one here, this just a mango seed I put here. But so the beans, there's some pepper around that in the squash. Or I am going to try to plant today. So, okay. Also, the corn. I may want to write so more corn in case this one do not make it. So that go down now. So now my intent today in the backyard garden to try to plant into these containers today. 1, 2, 3. This one our winter sowing, remember? Also, I want to add the store-bought trellises. I have 4 of them. I will work in some project I want to do. So I had the 4 trellises here, so bought. I want to use them for vegetable to climb on, and also have this 1, 2, 3 of these. Put it in the ground. Second one. Okay. And I can go ahead and cross this up there. I have to go up and do that. To make sure I have everything in place, I am going to go ahead and use these posts there and just make sure go all the way down. So hammer until you get up to here. Okay? Let's do the second one now. Now I have to go up there to secure the top. So when I get up there, I need to use few things. Nail up there, and also before I do that, I can use like a iron hook. You see that, guys? Iron hook or hook. That's what I had, so I could use whatever I have. So I want this up there, so the step will gonna come from here down, but this will be up, right? So all the way across, I am gonna use these hooks. Make sure it turn toward you. Let's do second one right there. Let's do one more, something small. I just used whatever I had on hand. Not just spending money. I ain't cheap, right, guys? This year all about food, right? Grow your own food in containers, in your kitchen, window boxes, in the ground, in your garden, wherever. Grow some food. Okay, now I have to do now, go all the way up there and try to secure this up there. Okay. So now to make sure that structure do not move, I'm gonna use my zip tie there to make sure it'll be nice and stable up there. I'm gonna use zip tie. Around here. Okay, so I have this twine. I'm gonna go ahead. Remember the hook I put up there? I'm gonna go and make a long string coming down. The idea is to go up there, take this with me, right? So that's the idea, okay? So now I come down. And bring this down here. And cut this one there. You have one? You got the first one now, okay? Then go ahead, back it up there again. That's the idea. So, as you can see, I got all my vegetable I was growing in the house down. Squash here, and beans and corn. Okay, let me move this. I can plant something else. Gravel in here. Peach moss in there. Now go ahead and mix everything up. Mix it up. So the trick to get it all out will all damage. Okay? Have to be very careful because they don't like the roots being messed with. So let me move this out. And let me get my hand there. Okay. Easy. Okay. I think I got it. Don't mess with roots. Come on. Right there. Oh, I think we'll have it press. Ooh, I hope I have it, guys. Okay. And try to wrap this around that this way. For it to grow up there. Okay. Now they use a bamboo stick, right? And wrap that around it, nice and tight. Push that in a lot. all the way down and wrap that around. Okay, take the second one now, guys. Fertilizer. Oh Jesus! I just mess with the roots. Oh God! Oh, we are in trouble. I just messed with the roots. I just did. Let's put that in. Gently. Okay. Things. Then go ahead and put this fertilizer in there. Here I have my mango growing here too. So see if I get bean out. I'm going to plant the corn right around here. Now, let's go ahead and add our corn. Put that in. It's a small one. Zucchini. Then put some zucchini around here. Right? Just that about. You can see I have some pepper at the bottom. This color, you know when you go to buy your Christmas tree, you get a collar to pour around the tree. That's what this is. I just turn it upside down and want to make a planter from it. So now let's go ahead and see what we can do with that. So I go ahead and just put the pepper at the bottom. Just put salt on top. Get more salt. And add more salt here. These containers can hold a lot. So I told you guys this year all about food, I made it. So let's go ahead and add some gravel. You see outside, guys, it's a lot of exercise. Whew. Okay, mix everything up. Tomorrow, back again. We're playing in this 2 containers and a box 2. So tomorrow all day will be planting, okay? At least this, because I have a lot of planting to do. So again, tomorrow we'll do 2 boxes and 1 container tomorrow. Until next time again, guys, I'll see you tomorrow, okay, guys? Thank you again for tuning into my channel. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. So, guys, let's recap. So here you can see I just put 3 sticks together. 1 there, 1 down, second one, and secure with the T post. Okay, and 2 of them. And remember, all the food are growing in the house. The squash, I put it up here, and hopefully it'll be able to climb up there, maybe. And also the beans to go up there. And also I planted zucchini here, there, and this is a pepper. I think when I was sowing the seed for the squash, maybe some of the seed of the pepper got in there. It growing around the root of the squash, and since squash do not like the root mess with, I just left it there. So, and also we added more soil in this container, and this one too. And tomorrow we're going to plant in this container, into this container here, and this one too as well. This is just covered with paper. I have soil in here. So, and that'll be tomorrow job, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. So I see you again. Bye, guys. Bye-bye. Wow, look at my winter sowing. This is so satisfying. Look at that.